our hottest and newest deals of the week, and you'll even receive exclusive coupons. And never miss a Today's Special. We'll send you the scoop on our best value of the day straight to your inbox. So head on over to hsn.com now and search email to sign up today.
Worry about one less thing with our Protection Plus plans at HSN. Computers, printers, cameras, fitness equipment, and even jewelry can be covered with a plan that offers repair or replacement should a failure occur. And portable electronics have accidental damage from handling, which covers unintentional mishaps like everyday drops, spills, and cracked screens. It's easy to add when you are checking out. Search Protection Plus at hsn.com for more details.
Who knew a little piece of plastic could be so much fun? When you apply for the HSN card, instantly get $10 off. It's all about you. Extra flex on the things you love. When you use your HSN card, get extra flex all day, every day on all jewelry, beauty, and fashion purchases. Plus VIP financing, VIP easy returns, exclusive offers, all with no annual fee. Apply now. Call 1-800-695-1418 or search HSN card at hsn.com.
I grew up always dreaming and wanting to create things.
I see something and I see that we can make it better.
One day, the light bulb just went off. Nobody has this. They're waiting for me to invent it.
Next thing you know, you're on HSN and the whole world's hearing about it.
It just sold out.
Very excited for you.
HSN celebrates the dreamers, inventors, and entrepreneurs who follow their hearts, helping American dreams come true.
Being here today proves anything is possible.
No, I'm Connie, I stole her. Okay, you know what? Pay no attention to me. Don't tell Connie Craig Carroll I stole her Diet Coke. But anyway, people want to steal what Linda Marshall does because no one in the world formulates cosmetics, does skincare, is more passionate, more knowledge,able, more generous with value than the one, the only, the inimitable post-birthday version of Linda Marshall, who also won the very first ever Lifetime Achievement Award from CEW, the Cosmetic Executive Women Association. And when you have formulators coming up to you at conferences saying, oh, you make the best stuff, she makes the best stuff. So call us. Happy belated birthday, my friend, and happy last show.
Yes, this day has just flown by.
It has.
This visit has flown by, but it's been so much fun.
I know. Well, actually, and I will tell you, Linda's little elves out there at Elysee land, almost 100 years and strong, they have been working round the clock to make these happen. So we're going to jump right in.
This product was all shipped this past Monday.
Oh, was it really?
That's how fresh it is.
Holy moly.
It was all made and shipped this past.
So speaking of holy moly, we call these the wow before and afters. Now, this is only for this show, because remember, this is Linda's last show. $22.50, 429-650. You know, the thing is, as we get older, you know, while Linda and I are both in different boxes with regard to age category, but I will tell you, it ain't the same, sister. And one of the
honey, just wait.
Just wait. But the truth of the matter is, whether you're in your 20s, your 30s, your 40s, your 50s, and beyond, beyond. And looking fabulous, by the way. But the eyes in particular are the first areas, I think, for most of us where you first start to see the first visible signs of aging. And whether you have wrinkles, whether you have hooding, whether your eyes get puffy, whether you have the dark circles, this is something that addresses all of those individual needs, if you will.
Yes.
And I gotta tell you, Linda, this is like the 1-2 punch as well, because when we talk about how generous your products are, autophagy is something that you hear about in big science journals and yada, yada, yada. So you really approach aging in a much different way than we're used to hearing about.
No, that's true. And we look at why are we aging, and then we look at what are the solutions to slow down that look of aging. And as you mentioned, the eyes are the first area to give our age away. The skin around our eyes is 10% thinner than the skin on any other part of our body. it also, and you'll love this, ages 36% faster than any other part of skin on our bodies.
All right, Linda, you know we never have enough time. So in 4 minutes, who needs this? What is this going to do? And why is this different?
Well, I would use this morning and night.
Okay.
And you've got the little one that you could put right by your bed, and this one you could have wherever you are getting ready. I use it morning and night over the serum that we have in one of our kits. And the thing that I love about this product is that we address different things happen to our skin as we age. All of a sudden, I've used makeup my entire life, and all of a sudden, I couldn't get my eyeshadow to go on, and I couldn't figure it out. And then I started hearing about autophagy, and what you have is when you're young, you have an enzyme that's called AMPK, and it's a house cleaning enzyme. And so what it does is, think when you're young, you dust every day. You hit middle age, you dust once a week. Then you hit old age like me, and you think, I'll dust once a month. What's your furniture going to look like? You get a buildup of all of that mess, and suddenly all the things get faster and you age even more quickly. So what this is, and to my knowledge, we're the only one currently addressing autophagy around the eyes. So this is going to do a housekeeping process, and when you look at these befores and afters, you can see dramatic differences in how it works. My eyeshadow now goes on beautifully. Look at this. Yes. So it's working on hooding, it's working on puffiness, it's working on firmness, but then it's addressing something that no other eye cream or gel is doing, and that's the autophagy. And that keeps that skin from getting crusty, or overly sensitive.
Yeah.
And so if you've had any problems, look at this next one that's coming up. I mean, look at the area around the hooding. Look at the puffiness underneath the eyes. Even the lifting and the firmness.
So basically, it pumps the brakes on the aging process.
That's a good point.
It does.
Yes.
It primes those brakes. Boy, anybody who's hit, some black ice in Minnesota or Wisconsin knows you got to pump those brakes, or you start to skid. So this pumps the brakes on that aging process. And the brilliant thing about it, and I'll show you that consistency, which I personally love.
It's wonderful.
It really is wonderful. It has this beautiful, delicate hand to it.
It does. You put it on, and it just melts into your skin.
It does. Can you see this? It's like a gelée.
Yeah, it is. And it's so soft and so gentle.
Yep.
And it goes in, and it is delivering such powerful results to help you look younger.
It does. And so, by the way, that was far more than I needed. A little bit goes a long
Well, and it's not what's in your product that delivers the results. It's the level. And Elysee uses the highest levels. When we see a raw material, the clinicals are anywhere from 0.5% to usually 3, maybe 5. We will take the highest percentage and start testing to see where they max out.
Right.
And we were the first ones to ever address the fact that it's not what's in your product, it's the level. And now you have a number of companies that try to come up with something similar by saying clinical levels and so forth.
Yeah, it's true.
That doesn't mean a thing.
By the way, this is your only airing. And Daryl, is it true if they have their HSN card, they're actually looking at a flex payment there of $11.25?
Wow.
Okay. So if you have an HSN card, you're actually looking at splitting up the payments. Here's the other thing. Auto ship is not available. And I know whenever Linda does an auto ship, I always go on it because, like she said, it's a lot of times it's not the price of something, it's the levels of the ingredients that you're putting in the products. And this is a wonderful way to put your toe in the water, especially because most of us wrestle with the eye area. If that eyeliner is starting to skip, if you're having a difficult time with the hooding and you're having a hard time finding that crease or that contour in your eye, or your eyes are the skin is getting a little crinkly, wrinkly, and feeling kind of parched,
puffing down.
And puffing down. Whether it's hooding, whether it's lines, whether it's wrinkles, whether it's the appearance of dark circles, this beautiful, again, gelée consistency.
It's just it is so light and so gentle, and yet delivering such powerful results to keep those eyes looking younger.
For sure. So, and actually, it's great because I think it's Amy who's going to be launching a brow product, a brow and eyelash product tonight at midnight in our finest value of the day. So, you don't want to be showing off those great lashes unless your eyes are looking perked up, for heaven's sake.
Boy, isn't that the truth, honey?
You know? So there's Miss Donna. We're going to hear from Miss Donna a little bit later on in the show as well. And please remember, if you are one of Linda's angels, we would love to say hi to you. I know you want to do a post-birthday hello and a last show for the visit. Hello as well. Hey, by the way, we also have for you your Fountain of Youth, the Flawless Duo. Now, this is on 2-pay flex pay of $19.98. And one of the newer additions to the line. And I got to tell you, man, the lift you get with this, yeesh, wow. Jeff, we can't show any, we don't have any before and afters that we could pop in there real quickly, do we? Because your pictures say 1,000 words, my friend. They do.
Well, but I want people to be able to see the kind of results that you can get.
Yeah, I know. We had yet neck, right? We did. And when we talk about the nose to mouth lines.
Well, and mine were the puppet lines. And when I went in for makeup, they wondered, Rebecca wondered if I had something done.
They were accusing you of things.
Yeah, she said, that wrinkle is really, really much better.
Where have you been, Linda?
When I find a wrinkle, I will find a way to get rid of it. I want to get something that disappears, but you know, that particular kit I call my photoshopping in a
I like it in a bottle.
Yep,
there you go. Hey, by the way, HSN card, we're going to talk a lot about the card throughout this show because we do have some exclusive flex pays exclusive to our HSN card holders. Toll-free number, you can apply a buy, go to hsn.com. And remember, of course, we would love to say hi to you. I know I mentioned earlier she was the first recipient of that Lifetime Achievement Award from CEW. She really is a force to be reckoned with in the cosmetic industry and beyond. And Linda Marshall knows her stuff. So if you are looking for a place to start, if you are looking for a launching pad, I mean, really the best place to put your toe in the water when it comes to LSA.
It's right here.
It's right here. These are the cornerstone products. Daryl, forgive me for asking this on the air, but do we have an if purchase separately? If not, we'll just kind of breeze through. Oh, there is. Let's do that real quickly, and then I'm going to turn Linda loose with all of her big brain and details. So prepare yourself, Linda.
All righty, sweetie.
But here's the if purchase separately. You do get the Youthspan. Now, that's $50. You also get the Fountain of Youth. That's another $35. The Youthspan Resculpting Concentrate, another product that I love, at $13. And then the Optimox, that oxygenating cream, which, by the way, we've got another product. You know, we've got...
This gets you introduced, but once you've tried it, you'll never want to be without it, so you want to stock up.
Absolutely. But, you know, the thing is, there's so much information when it comes to any of Linda's products. You owe it to yourself to get these at home, especially, don't let the price fool you. And I always say that with Linda because she really puts, you know, her heart on a plate here when it comes to any of these products, and she delivers. She is so generous, not only with her product formulations, but she could and should be charging considerably more. So don't get used to these prices. It's something that I don't know if we'll be able to keep moving forward on. And this, by the way, is not available on auto ship, which is nuts.
Well, the price of it is so low.
Yeah.
And in fact, when you were talking about the cosmetic chemists talking about the things,
yeah,
they use Elysee as the benchmark for the largest international cosmetic company in the world.
They do.
And they can't match us because the quality of our products is so much better and their products are so much more expensive. The 5 top formulators for that big company are on Elysee.
Wow. All right. So I affectionately call it the brown stuff. People have asked me on Facebook, and they're like, what do you mean the brown stuff, the blue stuff? Everybody who's watched Linda before knows what the brown stuff and the blue stuff are. But Linda, you are your own walking testimonial. So this is the part where I pass the baton to you, and we'll probably start with Pycnogenol, the brown stuff.
Let's start with my before and after.
Okay, sounds good.
So that we can really expose me for who I am. And that was me in 1979. I was 39 years old. This is me today, live in the studio, and I've had 3 hours sleep. Jen was here doing shows so that I could get some sleep. I wanted to watch her, so I woke up. So I've had 3 hours sleep. I am now 78 years old. I turned 78 this past week. Come in closely. I have wrinkles in motion. I don't have wrinkles at rest. My entire face moves. I haven't had anything done except Elysee. Now, there's not a lot of things in this world that we can control. But if we can slow the look of aging, because I believe beauty has no expiration date. And I think that when we look in the mirror, regardless of what that chronological age number is, we want to look our very, very best. And so our family, and we're now 4 generations of my family. It was started by a woman doctor in Germany in 1923, brought to America in 1940. We were a doctor brand long before there were doctor brands. And she was actually paid by the American government to work with skin diseases for the military and traveled all over the world. And then my mother became involved in 1945. We had our first facial chair next to a Ringer washing machine.
Oh.
So think of how none of us have Ringer washing machines anymore.
There's one in my grandma's basement.
Yes, well, but she's probably not using it.
No, she's not.
And so when you think of how technology has changed there, it's also changed in cosmetics. And we're bringing you the most advanced technology infused with the best from Mother Nature, and because that's what's going to deliver results.
It is.
And
Linda,
that's really...
And that's what you're going to get. So, Linda, I apologize. We only have 10 minutes remaining.
Wow, we better keep going.
Yeah, so let's hustle. So Pycnogenol does what? The blue stuff does what?
I'll do a one-liner on each one, and then we'll come back to pictures.
You took the words right out of my mouth.
I had the feeling with that look where you were headed. Okay, the Pycnogenol, we know that free radicals are a major cause of aging. Pycnogenol is the single most powerful antioxidant on the market. And so if it's a major cause of roughly 80% of our aging, don't you want the most powerful guy out there fighting it? I call free radicals the terrorists that steal the look of youth. And when you look at this, it's 93% effective.
Wow.
Look at your others. Vitamin C, CoQ10. The only one that even comes close is only 19%.
Whoa.
And that's grapeseed extract. Vitamin C only fights it in the water phase. Vitamin E fights it in the oil phase. Pycnogenol fights it in both the oil phase and the water phase. It is effective by 93%. It comes from the maritime pine, and this is the color of Pycnogenol. Look at the results.
Whoa.
Look at this.
Isn't that
Look
awesome?
at the lines and the wrinkles and the even skin tone. That's coming from Pycnogenol. It's in a hyaluronic acid base. We've sold 3.5 million bottles worldwide, and it's a customer pick everywhere.
Wow.
But you can see why. Now, that's not using the whole kit.
No.
That's only using the Pycnogenol.
Only the Pycnogenol.
Only
or,
the Pycnogenol.
as we call it, the brown stuff.
The brown stuff or the piggy.
Or the piggy. You got it. Okay.
And then this is Dolores. She's in her 50s. She
That's
looks good
50s?
That's 50s. Look
Holy
at her before.
Moly, man.
Look at her after. Just adding the Pycnogenol to her skin.
I got to tell you, because she has great, let's be honest.
She looks great before,
she does.
but look at her after.
But honest to goodness, would you ever peg her for someone in her 50s?
No.
No way.
And in fact, she took her son grocery shopping, and they bought wine. She was carded,
I bet
and
she
he was not, and he's 19.
Yeah, because if I didn't know better, I'd say 20s or 30s at best. Okay.
Absolutely.
So that's little piggy. All right, let's talk.
I'm fighting the cold from coming back from Australia.
I know you are. Linda's always on the go.
Oh. Well, I say H can't find a moving target. And then you have the Fountain of Youth. Now, this is an amazing, amazing product.
Big blue.
Big time. This has 40% peptides. Now, I challenge you to go out in the marketplace and find a product with 40% peptides for under $100. You won't find it. But look at how it works. It works on fine lines and wrinkles, deep lines and wrinkles, and look at the difference in this before and after. Oh. Now, again, only using, now you've got 10% argireline, which works on expression lines. We had the exclusive on that ingredient for North America for a year and a half.
Wow.
Look at Barbara.
Oh, my goodness.
You're never too old to look younger. She's in her 70s.
Oh, is she really? Gosh,
look at her before and after.
Great.
Doesn't that? I mean, when you start using Elysee, and in fact, there's a hairdresser that works on a lot of you down here.
Yes.
And his mother started, and she said, these are her two favorite products. She's obsessed.
Yeah.
And it's the only products that have ever delivered results for her.
For sure. All right,
and
let's
so
talk
look
about
at this. Again, look at the nasal labial lines. Now, we've got 10% Matrixyl, and this is the original Matrixyl, which was done in a double-blind study presented to the World Congress of Dermatologists to be as effective as retinol. Wow. And it delivers results in 2 months. Retinol took 4 months. Retinol is irritating. Retinol is light sensitive. And it also, in doing the clinical comparisons, reduced fine lines and wrinkles more effectively. Now, that's my eye.
Right. Oh,
that's
wow.
wrinkles in motion,
yeah,
not wrinkles at rest.
And in fact, I was just actually going to lead our crew to say men love this as much as women. In fact, telling tales on Daryl.
Absolutely.
Our producer uses this, but so does Robert Wagner.
So does Robert Wagner. Pat Boone just sent me a letter not too long ago thanking me for helping him perpetuate his fake age.
Speaking of ageless, yeah, I mean, case in point.
And he's 88.
Is he really?
Yeah, yeah, RJ is 88. And so what you do is you would cocktail these two together.
Yeah, I mix them.
Now, the original Matrixyl, not Matrixyl 3000, which was developed because the world can't get the original Matrixyl. And I don't know about you, but if I can have the best of the best, that's what I want.
For sure.
And that's what we have here. Again, 3.5 million pieces sold worldwide, customer pick. But one of the things it did a couple of years ago, it won the single most important ingredient launched in cosmetics, period, in the past 25 years in a vote of all cosmetic chemists worldwide.
Okay, and used at a level and in a way that, to our knowledge, no one else is doing.
No.
So, okay.
And then you have an ingredient called Naya that firms the skin more effectively than any other ingredient I have found on the market. So that's these two.
Yep, those are your dynamic duos. So
And
if you
then-
were only getting those two, I'm telling you, girls, that would pay for the purchase.
Oh, well, I mean, this one, there's
Yeah.
one that's on the market that has 5% peptides for $200 for the same amount.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Now, as we move along.
Then you go to your Youthspan.
Yep.
Now, this is your telomere technology, which is the holy grail of anti-aging. So you would use these two in the morning, and then you would use this one at night. And your telomeres are the ticking time clock of every single cell of your body. It won the Nobel Prize in Medicine at Johns Hopkins in 2009. You have, it's kind of like a shoelace.
Yeah.
You've got your little hardened telomere. You've got your DNA, your chromosome at the very end. You have a little hardened tail like the shoelace. Every time it replicates, it loses the telomerase enzyme. So what you want to do is optimize that telomerase enzyme so that your skin will look younger. I feel like it's putting an insurance policy on my skin to look younger longer. And the thing that is exciting, I had my telomeres measured before we launched this product.
Okay.
My skin came in 10 to 15 years younger than my chronological age, which was based on...
Oh, wow.
So I was really happy about that. Now I started using it, and I had them done again a couple years ago, 20 to 25 years younger. Now look at this.
Holy cow.
So wouldn't you like to turn back the hands of time literally and have it measured by a clinical that proved that it happened?
Absolutely.
And that's, look at this difference. Now this is the Venusian, or this is the Renovage. This is the ingredient that is working. We have it as the second ingredient in the product.
And remember that, honestly, Big Blue and Little Piggy, they pay for the purchase. And Linda, before we say hi to Nancy, just real quickly, you are also getting what, the resculpting concentrate.
Which is for your neck.
Okay.
And you're getting the oxygen. And look at the serum.
Oh, and there's the serum. So we'll fill in more details, but I didn't want to lose Nancy from Nevada, who loves what Linda does. Nancy, welcome to the show.
Hi, Nancy.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing terrific. How are you doing?
I'm doing good, very good. And listen, I got the lotions, and they really are great. Good. I love the hand lotions. It really, really does good on my skin.
Yep.
And I like the Fab 5. And
Oh, I'm so glad. And do people notice the difference in your skin?
Yes, yes, a lot.
And you're in Nevada, so you're in where it's hot and very dry.
Yes, very, very dry.
I grew up
yes.
out on the Bonneville Salt Flats in Utah on an Army post. So I know the temperatures and the heat, and it can be really tough on our skin.
It's so true.
Yes, yes.
Hey, Nancy, let me ask you this, because I think we all have used a lot of different products on our skin, you know, different types, different prices, on and on throughout the years. Is this helping with everything, lines and wrinkles and firmness? What kind of improvements have you seen in your skin?
Well, I've only been using the Elysee for like 20 years, so I've only been using those.
Well, you know, so
you've got it down pat, honey.
Well, sort of, kind
of. Well, Nancy, you sound young at heart, and I'm sure no one ever guesses your age, and you are a doll to share your story with us.
Thank you so very, very much. And if you have any questions, you call us in Madison.
Absolutely.
We're there for you.
I shall do, yes.
Thank you, Nancy.
Thank you, honey.
Take good care. Hey, by the way, Daryl, we might even want to show the Optimax since Nancy was calling from Nevada, because there's a body product in there if you got lots of dry skin.
Let's finish this one first.
Okay, perfect.
Just because I just want you to see the value. I mean, this is, when they did the testing on this product, it is more important, or the telomere technology is more important in the anti-aging process than the discovery of penicillin. And there is a product on the market for $250.
Okay.
We have, now again, it's where the ingredient is. We have Longevicel as our second ingredient. The company that has it for $250, they have it as the 38th ingredient. There's not enough in there to do anything. Then you have resveratrol. Ours is a 95% concentration. Ours is number 3. Theirs is number 12. And again, they could have as little as 1% in their concentration. We have Venusian, which you saw with the evening of the skin tone. And the Venusian helps to improve the look of past damage and prevent the look of future damage. We have it as number 7. They have it as 29. They don't have telomere technology. They don't have the lipofilling, which gives you density to your skin. They don't have anything that is going to stop that age process where sugar causes wrinkles, and you get cross-linkage, and it's very, very hard to reverse. None of that is in that $250 product, and you've got it all in this product at the same size. So do you want to spend $250 for basically nothing, or get this entire kit for what? 64?
For $21.65 on your credit card.
No, you don't want to miss out on it. Now I'll go to oxygen.
Okay, sounds good. Okay. So this is going to allow you to put your toe in the water with the oxygen. I should mention we have an Optimox Duo coming up that does feature the body product as well. So we all are familiar. I think people have heard of oxygen bars, oxygen treatments.
Well, and you pay over $100 for an oxygen facial.
Yes.
And it increases the oxygen in your skin. It breathes life into your skin. But it only lasts for about 24 hours. When you start using this is 10% medical grade oxygen.
Whoa.
Look at this. Look at the vibrancy and how much younger.
That wild?
But what happens if you're deprived of oxygen? You die.
Well, true.
And what happens is by the time you are 30, that's why this kit, I would start in your 20s. If you are 30, you've lost 70% of the oxygen concentration in your skin. It's going to your organs. It's not coming to your skin. That's why your skin looks dry and dull and washed out. We also have the apple plant stem cells. And look at this. Look at the difference.
Oh, my goodness gracious.
Now, when we're young, your adult stem cells are very, very active. By the time you're 35, they've lost 45% of the activity. By the time you are 65, they have plummeted to 90%.
Linda, can I ask you this? Is that only with Optimox?
That's just the Optimox.
That's just Optimox. So that is not even with the whole
No, each one of these are showing individual results of what kind of results you're getting. And there is a product on the market. Now, chlorofluorodectalin, which is a mouthful, is the inky name for oxygen.
Okay.
Ours is the second ingredient. And again, I challenge you to go out in the marketplace. There's an oxygen that's over $300, and the chlorofluorodectalin is not at the top. It's down at the bottom. Look at this. I mean, what happens when your skin is deprived of oxygen? It dries out.
It does, sure.
It ages very quickly.
Yeah, makes
and
sense.
then your stem cells, your adult stem cells, are what really keeps your skin going. And you can see, when you start using it, if you've been using it and you put it away for a while, then you'll open it and you'll see bubbles. And that's your true oxygen. It's medical grade oxygen.
It's so cool.
It is. It's exciting. I have a little studio apartment in New York, and every time I get there, my oxygen is bubbly.
Yeah, I bet. And, you know, that's just it. When we say that Linda does things and formulates things in a way that even the cosmetic giants try to imitate and duplicate.
They can't.
And they can't. And they really do use her as the highest bar of measurement and as of the gold standard. So the best thing I can say is get this at home, try the kit for yourself. 30-day unconditional money-back guarantee, and if you don't start seeing a result on your skin, which we know you will, if there's a place to start with Elysee,
it's right here.
It's right here. It has to be that Fab Five.
Absolutely, and then you've got the neck product.
Oh yes, exactly.
And we didn't mention that.
Oh, good grief.
And so your neck, you don't want it to hang low, sweet chariot. And you've got the jowl and the wisdom lines, and we'll be talking more about the neck product. It also has the telomere technology, and again, to my knowledge, we are the only cosmetic company in the world with telomere technology in our neck product. And you need to address it with every single cell that your body's looking at.
You do indeed. Boy, seeing is believing, right?
Boy, is it.
So $21.65 on your credit card, 412532. I would love to say that we have auto ship available. Sadly, though, we do not. So we are not limiting quantities. If you're thinking, okay, I might want to stock up, and because these are all poured and made fresh, definitely you can do that. Linda and I have more as we continue with her final show of the visit. Keep those calls coming. Don't let Nancy be the only one. A couple of quick reminders for you, though, before we do a little timeout, and then, like I said, we'll be back with Linda and more. I'm going to have to start bringing my readers on the air with me, I swear to you, because the text, the font has to be getting smaller in those flow sheets. It certainly can't be me. But anyway.
Printing is getting smaller.
Exactly. These are the classics, by the way. Many of you requested that Joy bring these back. They're the 20-piece collection, event priced at $49.95, and of course comes with all those microfiber cases as well. Hot items are listed at hsn.com, a wealth of variety there, because you'll find everything from electronics and so much more. So more good things to come with Linda and with you for that final show of the visit. We've got Optimox, we've got a way to help lift the look of your neck, and so much more, so don't go away.
Did you know you can stream both HSN and HSN2 live anytime, anyplace? With just the click of a button on your phone, tablet, computer, or smart TV, you're connected to the latest and greatest we have to offer. And with HSN2, there's always something different from what's currently airing on HSN. Head over to hsn.com or open your HSN mobile app and start watching.
The Patricia Nash brand is all about old world craftsmanship, Italian leather, and amazing quality. We started with handbags and accessories. Now we make amazing scarves and hand-weaved shoes. It's taking all of that old world craftsmanship and memories of our heritage or travels abroad, bringing it all for today's woman.
Don't miss a thing with our HSN app, available on Apple and Android devices. Get $10 off your first in-app purchase with code WELCOME10. Opt in to push notifications for early access to exclusive app-only deals. Shop faster than ever with exclusive new product videos, only on the iPhone. Watch HSN live anytime, any place. And the new shop and search features make finding your favorites easier than ever. Search app on hsn.com to download.
We love our gemstones to be beautiful, colorful, and durable. That's why we give some of them a little more love. Enhancements may require special care and may not be permanent, while others may last a lifetime. For more information, visit hsn.com and search gemstone to see our gemstone enhancement chart.
We continue with the one and only Linda Marshall and her last 30 minutes of her visit, post-birthday, as well, I might add, looking younger and younger with each passing year.
You're wonderful, honey.
No, it's true,
You've
though.
got a silver tongue.
So we are moving along, and of course, one of the things that really does age is, I think, hands, and boy, do I think lips. And if you're losing your lip line, if your volume is looking reduced, if it's looking lined, if it's looking wrinkled, if it's looking parched. Linda, one of the things at $21, by the way, this is very limited. And Daryl, can we show the quantity? What we have, I'm sorry, we have fewer than 2,000, so I'll just speak to that real quickly. But Linda, you actually taught me that the way women are exfoliating their lips could be creating an even larger issue.
Absolutely.
Because you have that natural lipid barrier, and boy, if you're polishing your lips with toothpaste and toothbrushes and this and that and the other thing.
You've removed the lipid barrier, and then you lose hydration, and they'll shrink faster.
Right.
It also happens if you lick your lips.
Oh, boy,
because
do I do that.
Oh, I know. When we live in with the Midwest,
yes.
and it gets cold, and you start licking your lips, and every time you do, you remove that lipid barrier, and you lose hydration. And so this is a very powerful duo. What happens as we age? Our noses grow,
right.
Our ears grow, and what we want to stay looking wonderful shrinks and drops into our mouth.
True.
And so instead of having these big, wonderful, sexy lips that are now so hot in Hollywood, we have a little thin line.
Yeah.
And so what we did with this product, I'm not a great believer in medical procedures. They scare me, and I just don't.
We're wimps.
Yeah, we are.
We're wimps.
Even having my laser surgery on my eye, one eye didn't work well. So, you know, I just avoid it like the plague. And so what you have, look at her lips.
Oh,
look at her befores and look at her afters.
Yeah.
Now, this is the lip plumping product, and you apply just a small amount.
Okay.
I take it all the way around from underneath the nose all the way around, cover the entire area, because you've got maxi lip and you've got volume lip, and you don't get any stinging. Look at those lips. Look at how much fuller and younger and better looking.
Ooh. Oh, that's great.
It's wonderful. It's really
is.
a fabulous product. And then it has Cephalift, and it also has Trilogen, and that works on the lines and the wrinkles above your lips. So you are addressing the collagen around to take care of lines and wrinkles. I've never smoked, but I ended up with 2 major lines here.
Yeah.
And look, they're gone.
I know, and see, it's funny because I don't smoke either, but I do drink a lot of water. So I'm always pursing my lips, drinking out of a water bottle or with a straw. And that also contributes to that.
Absolutely.
Linda, let me ask you this. Okay, so this is, you're
getting this, and then you're getting this face appeal.
Okay.
And face appeal is using high jet technology.
Okay.
And so what it does is it just gently, it's got peptides and so forth in it, so it's hydrating your lips, but it gently dissolves the dead surface cells without causing faster cell renewal or without stripping.
Can I ask a silly question? So I apply it, and do I then wipe it off? Do I let it dry?
No, you put it on, you leave it on overnight.
Oh, you do?
So like 1 or
I'm
2
glad
nights
I
a week,
asked.
you could use it all over your lips.
Okay.
Again, take it all the way around.
Oh, I need this.
And leave this, oh, you'll love it, honey.
I need
and
this.
you put this on, and then the next morning when you get up, you wash your face.
Okay.
put on your lip product.
There you go. So you get your 1-2 punch. So remember, this is your once a week, kind of like your deep facial treatment for your lips, right? We put hair masks on once a week. This is like your lip mask, if you will. And then, of course, you get your volumizer as well. And boy, not only if you are wrinkling around the lip area like I am, because again, I drink a lot of water, I try to get to the gym, but I also use those long wear lip liners and the long wear, they call them the 24-hour, even though they aren't, lip colors, just because when I'm on the air,
I don't have a chance,
I don't have a chance. Plus, I have a tendency, probably because I talk a lot, I get a lot of lipstick on my teeth, which is why I wear those semi, long wearing or permanent style lip colors, but they are very, very drying to your lips. And as much water as I drink, my lips are always parched because I'm always putting those products on. So the lips and the hands, you know very well, help give away that age. If you're sick and tired of your lipstick bleeding, if you're sick and tired of your lipstick feathering, if you're sick and tired of, on me, I've got a very full lower lip, but my upper lip has kind of receded.
This will help to plump it because it's got the maxi lip and the volume lip. And I don't want to have something done where my lips come in and I show up a week later.
Lips. I mean, the duck lip wives.
You got it. Well, your lips come in and then you show up a week later. That's not a look I want to have.
But you know what? I think most of us just want to be better versions of ourselves.
That's absolutely. And we want to look our very best because, as I said, beauty has no expiration date.
It's true.
And I'm a true believer that we want to look like our very best self and put up the brakes. And Elysee is a game changer in that our family, when we come up with a new product, it's like giving birth to a child. We love it, and we know that it's going to make a difference in our lives as well as yours.
It is, and Daryl and I do a lot of beauty shows together, and he's like, wow, that is pretty impressive. He's like, it's instant. And like I said, he does a lot of beauty shows, so.
Well, and I was very flattered that he loves Elysee.
Yes, and by the way, that's what he uses. So we've been shamelessly using his name throughout the show. Daryl does not need the neck product yet, but honestly, that is going to be coming. Well, actually, here we go.
Here it goes.
Neck and hand, and this is your dynamic duo. Now, if you do have our HSN card, remember you are getting a flex pay of less than $20. 377-807. And so, Linda, I'll tell you what, for a lot of women out there, the neck, and you are living proof because, we're all getting older, but the neck is, it's a unique sense or type of skin, isn't it?
Yes.
You need to approach that neck area differently.
And, here I've been with Elysee, and I'm formulating products. And I hear people say, you don't want us to have to live with turtlenecks because that's not a good idea. And so you need to take care of your neck. I lived in turtlenecks because I live in Wisconsin and I hate to be cold.
True.
And so one morning I walked in, and Jen, our family's very direct and we love each other and just say it the way it is.
Right.
And so we walked in and I said, she looked at me and she said, Linda, you've got to give up your turtlenecks. You got to flop over. And I said, are you trying to tell me my ruffle has a ridge? She said, actually it has 2 of them. And I said, well, thank you, sweetheart. You certainly know how to wreck my Monday. So I walked back to my son and I said, John, Jen just pointed out I've got a flop over and my ruffle has a ridge. And he said, yes, and it's not attractive, Mother.
Oh, yeah.
And I said, well, thank you very much, sweetheart. Now, what are you going to do about it? So he started working on it. Come in and look at my neck. I had a ruffle and a ridge.
Great.
Look at my neck today. I don't have wisdom lines. I don't have crepiness. I don't have the jowl that I had. My ruffle doesn't have a ridge. And this is a 78-year-old neck.
You look great.
I'll
tell you what, there are a lot of women in their 40s and 50s who would love to have the tautness that you have to your neck. And even, not just the tautness, but you know how they call them the wisdom rings?
Yeah, the wisdom lines. Yeah. I want my wisdom up here. I don't want it hanging around the neck. I have turkeys in my yard. I want them in the yard. I don't want it hanging down here. I don't want a jowl. It's cute on a bulldog. I don't want it on my face. And it is the only product that I know of that is a throat cream that has your telomere technology. Now, if that's the ticking time bomb of every cell of our body, we want that telomere technology everywhere.
By the way, this is, I just wanted to show you, I love what Linda has done with the jar here,
Isn't that fabulous?
So your product is always protected.
Yep.
Thank you, Jeff. I'll wait till we're over here. And then, do you see this? it's a precision application every time. So you're not contaminating the source. You're not, you know, dipping your finger in the whipped pot.
Right.
You know, so, and it also helps to, I think, the precision dose so you don't overuse. Notice, too, that it's also a really unique consistency in terms of the other neck products that I've used that sometimes, ironically enough, feel like too heavy for the neck area.
Yeah,
Does
they
that
are.
make sense?
This one, it melts into your skin.
It does.
You don't feel it at all. Now you take it from the collarbone to right underneath the chin. And then I take it clear up and then bring it back and underneath. And that has been my magic answer.
Yeah.
And anything that has Youthspan with Elysee means it has telomere technology.
Nice. Hey, I have not used the hands.
Oh, you'll love it.
Why have I not used the hands? That's crazy.
I hate to show the hands because I have ugly hands. And I was telling you in our meeting.
We both have arthritis in our hands.
I have major arthritis. Look at that thumb. It's so crooked it isn't funny. And there's no cosmetic that's going to take care of that.
I know.
But I want you to look at my hand. Look at this, and do this with me.
Right, the bounce back.
And see how it comes back, because they say that by the time you're 60, you pull it up. Isn't that amazing?
Oh my gosh, now,
look at that.
Now, like Linda, I'm already getting like some fusion in some of my joints as well, but holy moly, now, I don't even have to tell you which one I put it on.
No, you don't, honey. It is unbelievable. And it works on giving you back that elasticity so that you... Now, put the top of your hand up and see how fast it goes back.
I mean,
pull
look
it clear
at that.
up as high as it will go. And all of you do this with me.
Look at that. But
and
the
see how
one that I
fast it
put
goes
it
back.
on?
Look at yours. It went right back.
Yeah, it does.
Now, by the time you're 60...
But look at the difference on this hand. It's like, it stays.
Well, and they said by the time you're 60, you pull it up and it takes a minute to go back.
It's a little puck tent.
Yeah, I don't want a teepee on my hand.
Yeah, exactly.
And so here's the neck again.
I'm gonna
Look
have
at this.
I'm gonna have to get
you'll
this.
love that, honey.
I really am. Okay, so this was a real quick special for us. Again, turkeys for Thanksgiving. Not on your body.
Not on our neck. I mean, again, this kit is life-changing because it really does address... Now, our neck cream, we sell it for $75.
Oh, I know you do.
Prevention Magazine covered it a few years ago, and they actually did a measurement and showed that it reduced that jowl line by 6 to 10%.
Ooh, wow, that's huge.
Yeah, they were very, very impressed with the kind of results. But look at these results.
Oh, that's fabulous. Okay, so we are scooting along, and wow, wow, wow. Necks and hands. Basically, you're getting a reduced price on the neck and then getting the hand treatment for free. So you're getting a reduced...
You're getting a major reduction.
Major reduction on the neck product. And then, as I mentioned, you're getting the hand product for free. I know I've mentioned this before, but I'll say it again. Sadly, this is not an auto ship. You can't afford to do this at an auto ship with that kind of price. And instant results. Boy, if I could see results on my hand immediately... Imagine what you're going to do when
you use it all the time
on a regular basis.
I mean, you know, if I'm supposed to have a teepee, mine is the equivalent of about a 40-year-old.
Yeah, yes, absolutely. And especially because I have a tendency to wash my hands a lot, and I also use a lot of hand sanitizer. Our hands take a beating, let's be honest.
They take a real, and then you get arthritis in your...
Yeah, trust me, I know. I'm weaving through that territory.
Well, I say that age can't find a moving target, but dislocated parts of me.
There you go. All right, well, now we're talking about Fountain of Youth, and this is kind of another buy one, get one. And
this is amazing.
It is amazing. Linda, talk about what this is going to do for me.
This is what I consider my photoshopping in 2 bottles.
I like that.
I absolutely love these 2 products, and they're exciting for me.
Yeah.
Because one of the things that I had, remember I told you I have wrinkles in motion and they're fairly deep? I don't have wrinkles at rest.
Right.
Well, that's not completely true because I had one down here that was still deep enough that you could have buried a body. And I hated this wrinkle, and so we have been on a search for years to find an ingredient that would really address the vertical lines. And about a year ago, their company came out. They knew I was searching for it. We got it first, and it's a new form of Matrixyl called Morphobic.
Okay.
And it works on the vertical lines.
Oh, wow.
And then at the same time, our Duralox came out, which is an upgrade, a powerful of our Duraline. And so you've got both of these in this particular product. Now what I want you, and then you have an ingredient called Intensyl. The Intensyl will give you a little bit of an instant gratification. And then for me, it took about 3 months before I really...
Right. So
depending on how deep it is, say roughly 2 months.
So you're getting your lift.
And then you would follow. You'd use this right after you wash your face before the Pycnogenol and Fountain of Youth.
Right.
Then after you finish, you would use this. This is your primer. This product has 99.5% anti-aging ingredients. You've got 90% firming, toning, lifting, and orospheres that fill in. So that's your instant gratification. Then you've got 9% peptides, which is more than you have in a lot of very expensive anti-aging products on the market. And so you're getting both of those. So you're getting instant and the long term.
So you're getting instant and long term. So you spot apply on the areas. You go like this, right? And
then we're going to go over. Donna has applied it. I go up and down and back and forth, and I do this every morning and every night. And I have to tell you, it was really funny. We were doing a fundraiser for a senator. And I was telling a woman who had a private label company, and she sold it, and she's now very involved in the industry, and has switched to Elysee, and she said to me, why is it that I'm getting results from your products that I didn't get from anything I ever manufactured for anybody else? And I said, it's the level of ingredients. And then I started telling her about this product, and I said, you've got to get this because you're starting to see these lines still. And all of a sudden, I got a tap on the shoulder, and the senator said, would you like a senator guinea pig? He said, I have been on your products for 50 years. And I'm going to wear a sign across my forehead that says Elysee because nobody believes my age.
Funny.
But I really want that product, and I will be a guinea pig.
Well, you know.
And I said, we don't test on animals, and I've always wanted a senator guinea pig.
There you go. Well, Donna is living proof, too. Donna, you're aging in reverse. You know that, right?
Yes, I am. And, you know, it's funny. I just got back from visiting my family in Ohio, and I ran into someone from high school, a friend of mine. She looked at me, and she said, why do you look so much younger than I do? We are the same age. And I said, I've been using Elysee products for more than 16 years. And that is what I attribute my good skin and my youthful look to, is the Elysee line. Now today I've put the Flawless Facelift on one half of my face, and I'm gonna stop talking so that we can do a split face.
Oh, perfect.
And you'll be able to see that the nasolabial line is very, very much diminished. My smile lines are diminished. My eyebrow is lifted. The Flawless Facelift goes on my skin every single day before I put my makeup on. It gives me instant benefits and long-term benefits, and it helps make my makeup look beautiful all day long.
It does. So we're going to show you Donna's before and after and that close-up. And I really do mean it when I say, Donna, she really has not aged a day.
No, she looks amazing.
Because I've been here this is my 23rd year.
Wow.
And Donna has been here for 16, so I've known Donna, you know, every year of that. And no kidding, Donna looks exactly the same as she did when I first,
she does. Look at the skin. Look at her skin.
Yeah.
Look at the side. It's not hard. You don't even need to put which with and without, because it's so obvious.
No, and you know, and the thing is too, that's a skin makeover. We're not talking about, oh, you know, fluffing a little powder and a little concealer and a little this and a little of that. Donna, you look great.
No, it really does. And this product happens to be a hot one in Hollywood.
Oh, for sure.
And in fact, Patty Bunch, who's a leading makeup artist and has been nominated for all kinds of awards, she was using this on the red carpet, and all of her celebrities kept taking it. I'll bet I shipped her 24 to 48 bottles.
I bet.
Just for that one event, because they just all had to have it.
So remember, you're getting your 1-2 punch, and even if we didn't convince you with the Fab Five, I mean, which again,
I would add this.
I would add this. And especially if you are a tough customer, if you've used a lot of different cosmetic lines before, then remember, this is your instant and your long-term. And we are, of course, an instant gratification nation. So wherever you have the look of those lines or wrinkles, you spot apply this even before you put your other serums on, right? Before you put Little Piggy and Big Blue on.
You've got that.
Right. And
look at these befores and afters.
Nice.
Look at
that's
this.
fantastic.
And in fact, it was really funny. I was reading the reviews, and there was one review that said, I've been using it for 2 weeks and I don't know it. And that was with the line corrector, the Resist.
Right. Yeah.
And you're not going to. It takes 2 months. It takes 100 days to rebuild your collagen. Ooh. And you know, when you talk about people that use hydrolyzed collagen on the skin, that's sitting on the surface. It's not penetrating.
Right.
You need to have peptides that are going in and sending those messages to really work at changing the look of aging.
Yeah.
And flip the code on the aging process so you can look as young as you want. And, you know, that was a bit of an exaggeration because we can't look 20.
Do you know what, though? I got to tell you, like, here's a good example.
Look at this.
I wouldn't go back to my 20s again.
No, I wouldn't either.
I wouldn't.
And you know that I was going through TSA?
Yeah.
And I said, do I have to take off my shoes? And he said, yes. And I said, but I'm over 65. And he said, no, you're not.
I know, right?
And I said, yes, I was 78. And I said, I'm 78. And he said, who do you think you're kidding? And I said, you've got my passport right there, check it out.
Yeah.
And then I just had my driver's license done, and they said, what are you doing? You look younger in your new driver's license than you did in your old one.
Isn't that funny? It's so true.
But look at this.
Oh, wow. Now, that's one application.
That's one application.
Holy cow. Good grief. So you have no idea how much younger you could look. And boy, oh boy, if you've got a class reunion, if you've got, maybe you're back in the dating game, you know, at a later age that you didn't intend on being. And honestly, we all want to look, if you want to Photoshop the look of your face without the aid of an application on your phone or a filter, then this is a fabulous thing for you to consider. So really and truly, if this is a way that you measure what Elysee does, why not? Linda, I'm assuming that I could use it on my neck, I could use it on my hands.
Oh, absolutely. You can use it wherever you want to. Yes.
If you want like a little smoother look, you could do that and have that instant gratification.
Well, and I got a call from one of my classmates that I went to a very small school, so there are 4 of us that are still very close. And he's got his wife on the products, and he said, now I have a trophy wife.
Oh, I love that. Or a trophy husband, girl.
Yes,
Don't
we
forget.
can have trophies on both sides.
Yes, we can, because he'll probably snitch your products as well.
Oh, yes.
And because that's also a reminder for me, it dries invisibly. And you know how sometimes those instant gratification products can leave like little like egg white?
Well, that's because the magnesium silica. And the truth is that Elysee has been doing instant lifts since 1940. And you have that one celebrity beauty, Betty, that everyone remembers for the glamour girls of the 40s. She was on our Skin Tight.
Oh, wow.
And I've got letters from her telling about how it's just an amazing product. So we've been doing instant lifts since 1940.
Oh, wow. I mean,
we've never used magnesium silica.
Oh, see.
Because I don't want to have that white look.
See, exactly, and that's just it. Because a lot of those instant lift products, they tell you they don't want you to wear foundation and concealer, right? So and it'll peel off. Because it'll peel off. All right, so you don't have to worry about that. You do have to worry about getting your Fab 5, however, because this is Linda's last show of the visit. Wildly popular. Now, sadly, no auto ship available on this, but these are the famous, well, the cornerstone items, basically, and only for this show, because Linda's done after this hour. And remember, just that, what we call Little Piggy, the Pycnogenol, and then, of course, Big Blue, the Fountain of Youth, those more than pay for the purchase. Any one of those products really pay.
Yeah, they do.
So it's almost like buying one and getting 4 free.
It really is.
Yeah.
I mean, we sell each of the Piggy and the blue stuff.
Yeah.
We sell each of those for $64.
Oh, geez.
And that's what they sell in the doctor's offices for.
Yep.
And then we sell the Youthspan serum for $95.
See, go figure. Hey, we got, I believe, this is our last item of the show.
Wow.
Gosh, that went by quickly.
Time flies when we're having fun.
It does, exactly. And don't forget, I've got your last airing of our Today's Special from HP coming up in just a few moments. But right now, we know oxygen is obviously the stem of life. And this is a way for you to bring that to your skin. And not just to your skin, but to your body as well.
Well, our body ages the same as our skin.
You're
You'll look in the mirror and suddenly it's hang low, sweet cherry.
Sure.
And that's not a look. And you want, no matter what your age, we want to sometimes take off our jackets and have sleeveless. And you can't do that unless you take care of the skin on your body as well. This is 8 ounces of the body lotion. And again, you've got the oxygen in, medical grade oxygen. And you have 10%, and this is the king size.
Oh boy, that's a big one.
Now, we sold a 1 ounce for over $100.
Oh, really?
And this is almost 4 ounces.
It's almost 4 ounces?
Almost 4 ounces.
Whoa!
10% medical grade oxygen, plus the plant stem cells. Now, there is an oxygen product that sells for $300 for a 1 ounce.
Okay, wow.
And it's used by some of your very, very well-known people in the world.
Yes.
And they pay the $300, and they don't realize, it's sad that knowledge is power, and they don't seem to have it. And they are spending $300, and the oxygen is way down, and there are no plant stem cells.
Oh, wow.
Now, here again, by the time you are 70, or by the time you are 30, you've lost 70% of the oxygen in your skin. That's why it dries out.
Holy cow.
Your oxygen is going to your brain and to your organs to keep you alive. And you have to have oxygen to stay alive. And then you have the plant stem cells. And here again, by the time you're 35, you've lost 45% of the activity of your adult stem cells. By the time you are 60, you have lost 90%. It's plummeted to that.
Oh my goodness.
So basically, they're not working. I figure at 78, if I'm not retiring, neither of my plant stem cells, I'm going to kick them in and make them do the job they're designed to do. They don't get to take a time off. And so this is an amazing, amazing value.
It is.
And let's look at some of the pictures because I think that to look at the pictures, and the body lotion also is very rich in vitamins.
Oh, look at
her.
that, Linda.
Look at how it breathes life into her skin.
Oh, my goodness gracious.
And one of the things that I have said, and we'll show her eye as well, is that, you know, we don't all look like an old Apple person.
Sure.
And if we've got that picture, it would be fun to show because the woman that is actually used, and we do it as a comparison. And look at this next picture. Look at the dryness and the aging. Look, and look at how much younger. That's just using the oxygen.
Isn't that wild?
But you're paying what? $60, and you'd pay over $100 for one oxygen treatment?
For one oxygen treatment or an oxygen facial. And remember, this is almost 4 times the size because it's almost 4 ounces.
Yes.
It's $59.95. So the screen that I'm looking at here, we're talking about lines, dryness, crepiness.
All of those things
they're
all being addressed, and they make such a huge difference. I never go a day without this product. I even use it on the plane because it's so important to get that hydration into your skin. And, you know, you'll look at it and you can see the little bubbles going into the skin and hydrating it. Plus, Elysee in every product uses a special water, and we're the only company in the world that actually uses water that will penetrate your skin, keep your water channels open, and then it's infused with the same minerals, Himalayan salt, that we have in our bodies.
Yes, yes, yes.
And, you know, we talk about hydration. We are addressing every single reason you're aging. And look at this.
Okay.
Look at how much better you can start to look.
Isn't that... Can I ask you a silly question, though? Okay, so if I'm using the wrinkle relaxer from our last kit, spot apply that. Then I cocktail my
Fountain of Youth and your
piggy,
Pycnogenol.
my piggy and my blue.
And then do this.
That's what I was going to say. This, because it feels almost, let me show you guys this. It feels almost like a comforting cushion.
Yeah, it is.
In a way.
It's wonderful. Look at how it is.
See, it's just like a
nice,
nice,
as you put it in, it melts in, and it's like age is melting away.
It is. So
it's amazing.
This would be your nice cushion at the end of whatever you're doing.
And then at night, you'd cleanse your face, use the Youthspan serum.
Okay.
Use this again.
Yeah.
And use your neck cream.
Yep.
And then you would also, if you got that, I use the roll-on every day.
Yeah.
And then the last thing I do afterwards when this is dried is I put the lift on.
Oh, sure. So, and you'll notice, too, it has a nice lightweight feel to it.
Absolutely.
So it doesn't, because
I don't feel heavy.
It doesn't feel heavy.
No. You put it on and it's not sticky.
Yes, it doesn't it dries right away.
It goes into your skin, and it's delivering those life-changing results to help you look younger longer. And that's what we all want to do. We want to optimize the reasons we age. And I was at an anti-aging conference, and they were talking about, they even had the man that did the face transplant. And so they were talking about what you have to have if you want to really change the look of aging on your face. Number one was your antioxidant. We've got the most powerful Pycnogenol. Then peptides, you've got the most powerful with Fountain of Youth. You want to have telomere technology in your Youthspan serum. Oxygen and stem cells. We already had them all, and we've got them in at the maximum levels that are going to deliver results, because we start at the clinicals and then we test at all the higher levels to make sure we get the most results. It's for us as well as you, because we're in this world to make a difference.
We are.
And when that final curtain comes down in our lives, it's not going to be our bank accounts that make that difference.
No.
It's the differences we make in each other's lives. And just like Nancy's call and all the calls of people that tell me how much it's changed their life, that warms my heart in a way that I can't begin to tell you, and it does the same for my family.
It's so true. I mean, she and her family, they wear their heart on their sleeve. They work so hard for you. I know we didn't talk a lot about the body, but you can imagine
it's the same as your whole body
concept, right?
And you've got all the oxygen going in. Now, the oxygen was used by a group of people, the Navy SEALs, when they're deep sea diving.
Oh, wow. Oh, that's interesting.
No, it's a very powerful, and there are a lot of people with oxygen, but they don't have it as the second ingredient on your Inky deck. And the higher up it is, anything after your 10th ingredient isn't really there to deliver those results to make you look younger.
Absolutely. And one of the things that I will say, just as an observation for me, sometimes we put things in our body that smell good, and that's all well fine.
And we're fragrance-free.
And fragrance-free. And that's the other thing. It goes to the root of the problem. You're putting something on your skin because your skin is looking parched and old and dry.
Oh, and we also don't test on animals.
Yes, except senators.
Well, yes, we do check on senators.
We do.
And if we can find that one picture with the apple, you've got a firm apple and a young gal.
We might be able to, we've only got 50 seconds.
I know, you've only got a couple of seconds.
Oh, shoot.
Because the woman in the picture next to the old apple that is showing its age is a woman who is 4 years younger than I am. And yet she has never taken care of her skin. And I thought if we could find it, it would be really good for you to see what happens in not doing, because this is the only face you're ever going to have.
Yeah,
and
it's true.
It deserves you to take care of.
I know.
It's also your first line of defense.
I apologize. We are out of time. I get just so wrapped up in all your information, Missy.
Well, that's what happens when you live a long life and you're dedicated to finding all these answers and fighting this aging process. Thank you all. I love and appreciate you all.
We love you.
Oh, honey, I love
too,
you.
Donna.
And thanks to Donna.
All right.
Thanks to the great crew that work here.
Absolutely. Okay, you're going to love our today's special. If you haven't seen it, last airing coming up. Stay tuned.
So have you heard about the buzz on hsn.com? It's the one place you can find everything from current fashion trends, delicious recipes, healthy hacks, how-tos, and so much more. Dive into the must-read articles about your favorite topics and get inspired with stunning photos. So search the buzz on hsn.com now.
Who knew a little piece of plastic could be so much fun? When you apply for the HSN card,